The best first foods for your baby. As a new parent, one of the most exciting milestones is introducing your baby to solid foods. But with so many options and conflicting advice, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. When introducing solid foods, the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends introducing solid foods around 6 months of age. When it comes to introducing solid foods, there are two main approaches: finger foods and purees. Finger foods are small, soft pieces of food that your baby can pick up and feed themselves, while purees are mashed or blended foods that are spoon-fed to your baby. It's important to focus on nutrient-dense options that are easy to digest and introduce one food at a time to watch for any potential allergies or sensitivities. Avocado. Avocado is a great first food for babies as it is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It is easy for babies to eat and mashed or pureed for younger babies or cut into small pieces for older babies to pick up. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body and essential for healthy eyesight and immune function. They also have a naturally sweet taste that babies tend to enjoy. Banana. Bananas are a great first food for babies as they are easy to digest and packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. They also have a soft and creamy texture that is easy for babies. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great first food for babies as it is easy to digest and a good source of iron, which is important for healthy brain development. It can be cooked with milk or formula to create a smooth and creamy texture that is easy for babies to eat. Soft cooked vegetables. Soft cooked vegetables like carrots, peas, and squash are great first foods for babies as they are packed with essential nutrients and have a soft texture that is easy for babies to eat. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats, making them a great first food for babies. They can be scrambled, hard-boiled, or made into an omelette for your baby to enjoy. It's important to introduce eggs slowly and watch for any signs of allergy. Tips for successful baby weaning. Introducing solid foods to your baby can be a messy and sometimes frustrating experience, but with these tips, you can make the process smoother and more enjoyable for both you and your baby. Babies may take some time to get used to solid foods, and it's important to be patient and not force them to eat. Offer a variety of foods and let your baby explore and play with their food. It may take several tries before they start to enjoy a new food. Allowing your baby to feed themselves with finger foods can help develop their fine motor skills and encourage independence. It may be messy, but it's an important part of their development. Babies do not need added salt or sugar in their diet, and it's important to avoid adding these to their food. This can also help them develop a taste for natural flavors and avoid developing a preference for sweet or salty foods. Introducing solid foods to your baby is an exciting and important milestone. By focusing on nutrient-dense options and following these tips, you can help your baby develop healthy eating habits and enjoy a variety of flavors and textures. Remember to always consult with your pediatrician before introducing new foods and watch for any signs of allergies or sensitivities. Happy weaning!